The pentagram is not an evil symbol, but why do so many people think that? Because the church tells everyone that it is a symbol of the devil, and the media helps reinforce these projections on our subconscious that it's used for black magic and can only be used for evil purposes, and that it symbolizes everything that's wrong in the world. But actually, it's a symbol of nature, and you can see it fractalized in all kinds of different places, and represents divine feminine beauty, and it also represents the power within all of us. And so by demonizing this symbol, it subconsciously projects our hatred onto the Mother Earth and the feminine, and justifies raping the earth for money.